I'd like to show you a magnetic phone grip for an iPhone 12 or newer. The company Encased has sent me this phone grip so that I could share my honest opinion of the product with you. This magnetic phone grip is for iPhone 12 or newer, and I'm using it on an iPhone 13. It also works on any phone with a MagSafe case. It comes in a variety of glittery colors, or this plain white and plain black. It has a strong built-in magnet, an N52 magnet, or maybe more than one, so there's no worries about it coming off. It's very secure. It easily attaches and detaches when you don't want to use it. You just take it off. It makes holding your phone securely very easy. Just put it on like that, slide your finger through it, and twist it around to where it's comfortable and you can hold it easily. It makes texting or scrolling or taking photos really comfortable. I was always worried about dropping my phone when I was juggling groceries and other packages, my car keys, my house keys, but I have no worries since I've got this. The strap collapses down when you want to slide it into your pocket or your purse. I don't know what I did without it. It's great.